Let's dive into division. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning division, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family. Alright, let's start dividing 140 by 2. First, we look at the digit 1. We can't divide 1 by 2, so we bring down the next digit 4 to make 14. How many times does 2 fit into 14? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That's 7 times. So 7 times 2 is 14. Now we subtract. 14 minus 14 equals 0. Nicely done. We're doing awesome, you've got this. We have a remainder of 0 and 1 digit left to go. Look at that, we have 0 and we need to bring down the last digit 0. Now we have 0. We carry over the 0 from the previous step and bring down the next digit 0. Our new number is 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. 0 times 2 is 0. Subtracting 0 from 0 gives us 0. You're crushing it, we're almost there. And that's it, we've used all the digits. Our final answer is 70 with no remainder. We have a remainder of 0. Now let's bring down the last digit, which is 0. We have 0. We carry over the 0 remainder and bring down the next digit 0. Our new number is 0. How many times does 2 go into 0? Exactly 0 times. Let's check. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Subtracting 0 from 0 leaves us with 0. Perfect. Woohoo, you nailed it. So proud of your hard work. We've successfully divided 140 by 2. The answer is 70. Great job. We figured out that 140 divided by 2 is 70. Great job, everyone. We tackled 140 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, even big numbers become manageable with a clear plan. That's all for this video. Keep practicing and don't forget to check out more fun math adventures on Let's Stud.